Hello dear class, welcome everybody to online class. Hey dear learners, dear viewers, dear watchers, I also represent you a new topics for you. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct a new topics. It's a very good topics for you. If you learn the master very carefully, you will learn many things. Dear class, hello dear class, this is Nishit Jodhar in front of you. Today I am going to on a request all of you to join my online class because I think all of the students or all of you are very engaged in online class and you feel very boring. In these purposes, today I am going to represent a new topics for you. It will ensure or it will remove your monotonous of your online class. Okay, dear learners, let's go. Do you have any idea about the smallest river in the world? Can you tell the name? I think all of you have a little idea about the lake or about the river because it is the most famous river in our country. Okay, dear learners. Okay, try to realize, try to understand and get your brainstorming. Then you can learn many things from the picture. Okay, dear learners, let's go. Yeah, our today's lesson is the Sands of the Day. Unit 14, Lesson 3 by Charles Kingsley. He is a very famous writer and he represent for you a new topics. It will give you some good message, some information about your daily life or daily activities. Okay, dear learners, let's go. Learning outcomes. After completing the lesson, we will be able to recognize and use English sounds, stress and intonation, understand and enjoy the poem, interrupt, evaluate and summarize the literary text. The Sands of the Day. Charles Kingsley. Just the writer compose a poem for you. It's a very effective or very learned method for you because these topics ensure your mental expectation or mental effective. That will improve your mental activity. Sands of the Deep by Charles Kingsley is a folklore that tells the story of a little girl whom her parents sent out to bring their cattle home before it rained. Mary was a little girl who was asked to bring the cattle home which had some way for grazing. She went up the house along calling out to them. Dusk was falling by then, and the day was stormy and dark. Tides were rising. As soon as she landed on the shores of the Dee, to reach the land on the other side, mist covered her eyes. She couldn't see where the land lay, and ultimately the sea pulled her in. Her body was discovered later by the fishermen who went to catch salmon in the sea. They found her by shining golden traces of the sea and brought her to the shore where her grave lasts till this day. But even now, where men walk along those shores in search of fish, they can hear Mary's frantic shrill calling the cattle home. This is the main theme or main criteria of the poem. Okay, dear learners, let's go. Yeah, first is stanza. Oh Mary, go and call the cattle home, and call the cattle home, and call the cattle home. Across the sands of the day, the western wind was wild and dank with foam, and all went she. Just like here, her mother, recalled him to rescue some cattle from the riverside or sand side where the cattle was grazing. Her parents called her to rescue the cattle to home. Meaning, cattle, cows, and oxen, sands of the sea, shores of the river, Dean walls. Western wind from the west, dank, unpleasant, damp, and cold. Foam. Here, foam means waves. Okay, dear learners, I think all of you can understand the poem very carefully. It's a very pessimistic poem for you. Here, Mary's mother called her some cattle from the sands of the sea because the western wind was wild and dank with the foam. In those frightened period, Mary went out from her home to rescue the cattle from the sands of the sea. Okay, dear learners, let's go. Stanza 2. The western tide crept up along the sand and o'er the sand and around the sand as far as I could see. The rolling mist come down and hide the land, and never home came she. Yeah, some word meaning we can know. We have to know some word meaning about the poem. Western wind, waves from the west, crept up along the sand, moved to the shore. O'er means of her. As far as I could see, in the vicinity. Rolling mist means floating mist, and her home came she never come home. Here, when the western tide crept up along the sand, and over the sand, and round the sand, as far as I could see, the rolling mist come down, hide the land, and never home come she. Because when Mary went to the sands of the sea to rescue the cattle to home, in those fjord, here also be given as very tidal, or very misty, or very thunder, or very stormy. In those fjord, Mary could not see anything on his visualization, because Mary could not see on her eyes. It's a very stormy or very sandy or very darky way. In those time, he forget the route of the house, how to go to house or how to go to home. In those time, she never come home, she never returned home. Okay, dear learners, let's go. Stanza 3. Oh, is it weed or fish or floating here? A trees of golden here, a drowned maids here, above the nets at sea. Above the nets at sea was never salmon yet that shone so far among the stakes on thee. Meaning, weed, trees, drowned, maid, a girl, nest, salmon. Salmon is a fish. It's a sea fish, very tasty or very famous fish in the Western world. Shone, stakes. Oh, is the wind or fish floating? When? Because Mary couldn't come back home. The floating or tidy waves rushed into the sea. In those way, Mary could not return home. But when the fishermen were catching the fish in the sea, They sometimes hear the voice of the Mary. A dish of golden hair. They guess that the fisherman guess. It's a weight or fish are floating here. A dish of golden hair. That's when the fisherman think that it's a fish, it's a trees which is floating in the sea. Or a drowned maiden's hair. Or sometimes they think that no, it's not trees, it's not floating here, it's just like a maiden's hair. Maiden hairs means the girl who is drawing in the sea, but his hair is floating, or hair is floating, or hair is floating over the water. Was never salmon yet that shone so far. They think that it's a salmon. No, they think that it's not a salmon fish. It's like say maiden hair. Among the stakes only. Among they take some mistakes to rescue the girl or rescue the things which is drowning in the sea. In those times, the fishermen tried to rescue the hidden things into the sea. Okay, dear learners. Stanza 4. They rout her in cross the rolling foam, the cruel crawling foam, the cruel hungry of foam, to her grave beside the sea. But still the boatman hear her call the cattle home across the sands of the day. It's a more pessimistic for us because it's a very sad or it's a very pessimistic story to you. They round her ear in across the rolling foam. They round. They means the fisherman round the girl from the sands of the day. The cruel crawling foam. Cruel crawling foam is the foam which is very crawling. It's a very heinous. It's a very ferocious. The things rushed away the girl into the sea. Then the fisherman rescue the girl from the crawling foam. They think that it's a girl. The girl is very known to the fishermen because when they are habituated to fishing in the sea, they always see the girl who is grazing with his cattle in the beside the seaside. To her grave beside the sea. At last, the fishermen to grave beside the sea. The girl is very heart-trusting. This girl is very fair. Girl is very cute. The girl is known to the fishermen. So at last, they grave the girl beside the sea. But still the boatman hear her call cattle home. After a long time, a long period, the fishermen always hear the call the cattle home. Call the cattle which is rushed away into the sea. They did not return. Not only the girl but also the cattle also rushed away the tidal foam or the crawling foam rushed away into the sea. Across the sands of the day. That's hint of the story. Okay, dear learners. Pierre will ask and answer the question. What was the hell like when Mary went to bring the cattle home? What was weather when the Mary went to the cattle home? The weather was very rough. It was very darky, or very tidal, or very stormy, or very rainy. Look at some words, phrase and sentence. They have been appeared several times. Explain why poet has done that. How was the poet describe the sea? Narrate the story of the Mary in your own words. Suppose you are walking on the shore with a couple of your friends while Mary was drawing. Describe what you would have done. Just like it's one kind of imagination. You imagine yourself instead of the fisherman. What we have to do in those situations. Okay, dear learners, I think all of you can try to solve the question very easily. It's a very simple question or very simple things for you. If you cope up the poem, I think all of you can easily learn the question and all of you can easily reply the answer of the question. It's a very simple question for you. Okay, dear learners, let's go. Today I'll provide you some homework about the poem. Write a short summary on the poem. Just I give you a homework, I provide you homework, a short note on the poem in your own words, in your own ideas, in your ideology. And it may be at least 15 or 16 words. 50 or 60 words. Okay, dear learner, let's go. Okay, thank you all. Thank you the class. Thank you everybody. Dear learners, stay at home, stay safe. Be careful at your health. It's a very pandemic period. It's a very worthy period for us. We have to be very careful. We must be very careful about our health. Okay, dear learners, stay at home and learn the lesson and join the online class, and you will be learn and you will be engaged your all lessons in the online class. Thank you everybody.